Man, we hustle every day. We chasing people.
Greetings guys, nenomaila M traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to scalp synthetic indices profitable and make at least $5 a day as a beginner and as someone who's been in the market and not making profit. So let's get into the video. Okay. So we have boom 500 over here. We have boom 500. So we can see overall the market has been doing what? The market has been trending down on a daily. You know, we start on a daily. This is our trend. So let me just do this. So we can see overall boom 500 has been trending down. So let me just put this here. You can see overall it has been trending down. So this might also be a flag, a bearish flag continuing to the downside. So but then we hit for what? For scalping. So overall we wanted to see the market from the bigger time frame. So we're going to mark out our highs and our lows. So the market has been trending, there's a trend inside trend. So there's been there have been this small trend inside our big bearish trend. So this trend, so let me do this. So you can see overall the market has been respecting these areas. Let me use a rectangular. So you can see overall the market was respecting these areas, this area over here, until it broke it. So as you know how we trade, we can't be looking for any buying opportunity until the market breaks this level over here. So once it broke it, that's when we start looking for what? For buying opportunities. Because then if you look at it, it was this type of a trend. It was supposed to break below, but then it broke above. Then we're starting to look for what? Buying opportunities until it breaks what? Until it breaks this level over here. So that's what we have here. So let us get into the chart. So overall we're going to delete this. I'm going to delete that. So overall you can see I'm going to mark out our most important, we use a line graph. So let me mark out my highest resistance over here. It's somewhere here, or you might as well use this one because it has a first touch and a second touch over here. So you can use this one. Then you go back to the candlestick chart. So this is what we have. Then we go to our 4 hour chart. But then before we go there, let us mark out our lowest this side. So that's our lowest, that's our highest. So we go to the 4 hour. So we're looking for a trend inside trend. We saw that the market was trending up from daily. It formed a trend inside trend on a daily, creating higher highs and higher lows, and it got to this resistance. That's why it turned. So we can see overall the market has been bearish on the 4 hour. So we had this bearish flag over here. Remember, we're here to scalp. So Also this you wanna know why the market is going down, and you wanna know why it's going up. So overall you should be respecting your higher time frames. Okay, we can see overall we were inside a bearish flag formed way on our resistance. So we want to what? We want to buy. Remember, we prefer buying boom than selling it. So overall from the 4 hour we have this strong zone. This one, this is our recent resistance, and this is our recent support. So we go to the 1 hour. So we're looking for a trend inside trend, a trend inside a trend. So we can see overall this resistance has been holding. This resistance has been holding, not once, but the market has been testing it. It came once, twice, and the third time, the fourth time, then it has been respecting. So overall we can see also our support over here has been. You can also move this to the body button. Preferably I prefer it to be on our tail, on our wick. So we have this information. We have this information, a double top on our 1 hour chart. So remember, we're looking for a pattern inside a pattern, a trend inside trend. So we have this trend, this downtrend over here. So the market has been respecting this downtrend. So remember, the way we trade, we need to see the market to break what? This level. Hence, let me use a ball pen. This was your lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this was also your lower low, and this was your lower high. So the minute the market breaks this lower high, you're starting to look for what? Buying opportunities. So we go to the 15 minutes. We want to scalp, but then also you might as well do this just to know how your market was trending. So we have this. So we go to the 15 minutes. We have this. Let me move these things over here. Remove them. So overall we can see our trend inside trend. So this is your lower high, your lower low, your lower high, your lower low. Then this is your, actually this is your lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But then it failed to do what? It failed to respect this lower high over here. Then it also gave us what? A W, sorry. It also gave us what? A W pattern over here. It gave us a W pattern over here. So overall we can see it's the market is almost ready to buy. So we go to our 5 minutes for entry. So we can see overall our entry would have been here. There's a big W, there's a small W. Our retest, it used a W to retest over here. So your entry would have been here. So you would have entered there and put your stop loss at least on your trend line over here, on top of your trend line. Then you go back to the 15 minutes. Back to your 15 minutes. Then this is your TP. overall. That's where you're supposed to take your profit. So overall, I'm expecting the market to travel where? Travel to this. Let me just use this to this level over here. So this is how I scalp a boom and make at least $5 a day of this setup. And also, if you can view this, you can also see that this is a double bottom. It's a double bottom, and there's also another double bottom, and there's also another small double bottom on our 5 minutes. So overall, you can see this market is being moved by what? Double bottoms. So I'm expecting the market to buy until this area over here. And bear in mind, this is a live chart. You can go back and check how this played out. So you can see overall the market is supposed to come back here to this level, and this is your TP1, this area over here. This is your TP1 and this is your TP2. So yeah, this is how I scalp boom. And let us also try crash. Let us try crash, but then it's almost the same thing, same method. So let me go to crash 500. So our video is now 12 minutes. Okay, I don't wanna waste your time. I know that you have a lot of important things to do, so let me just get into the charts. So this is crash. On crash, you can see overall we've been in a bearish trend, and we know that we want to sell crash. So this is our trend over here. This is our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It might come to create what? A lower high, and then shoot down. So we want to sell crash. So overall, we go to the we do this. So we have another zone over here where the market is likely to turn. So we have this zone over here. You can also use a rectangular. So yeah, so we can now go to our 4-hour time frame. So remember, the reason I skipped the line chart part, I'm trying to save time, because I know that you guys don't have a lot of time. So yeah, let me go back to the chart. Okay, this is what we have here. So we can see overall there have been a trend inside trend over here. The market has been have been buying. So I don't know where to draw it from, but it's simple. You don't need to draw it like struggle drawing these lines. I'll be doing a video whereby I can show you how to draw trend lines. So we can see you had a double top over here. So remember, we want to scalp this. So as a scalper, you have to start from where? Your bigger time frame. So you might as well do this. We want the most touches. So we can see overall it's our first touch, our second touch, our third touch over there. So we can see the market was moving in this uptrend. It was this high over here, low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So the minute the market breaks, let me just delete this, because then we know that we have a zone over there. So the minute the market broke this rectangular, this line, this zone over here, we knew that it was supposed to sell, because it has been respecting the lower the higher lows. It has been respecting them, and the minute it also gave us a downward top, it failed to create another higher high. We knew that the market is coming down to break this area. So for now, we're expecting the market to reach which level? As a scalpers, we're looking for it to reach this level, this zone over here. So we're going to the 1 hour chart. So on our 1 hour chart, we can see that the trend line, it's showing here nicely drawn. This is our first touch, second touch, and third touch over here. So you can see overall we have 3 good touches. So, and also we have drawn our zones proper. So you can see that the market was respecting our zones, our higher highs and higher lows. We have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then it failed to create what? A higher high. Then it decided to come back and break our higher low. So we have a trend inside trend. So let us see. So also you can also mark out this type of areas, knowing that this is your higher low, a lower high, lower low. This is your lower low. This is your lower low over here. Let me just use this. This is your lower low. This is your lower high. This is your lower high. So overall you can see that the market was trending down, creating lower low and lower highs. So this is your lower high, this is your lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you're gonna mark out this area here. That's an area where we might want to take a sell. So we have these two, my highest point and my lowest. So in a selling market, you want to buy, sell high. We want to sell high and buy low. So here we want to do what? We want to sell. We want to sell high. So let's go to our 15 minutes. We're looking for a trend inside trend. Actually, we're looking for the market to break a trend, then continue with we want to scalp. So as a scalper, if we had this type of setup, we can see overall the market was doing what? Giving us what? A higher high, higher low, a higher high, higher low, 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 until it broke what? Our low, our higher low over there, or you can also use this one, since well it's very clear and also broke our trend line. That's when you can execute your trade. So overall you would have, let me use this, you would have entered where after it broke. So overall you would have entered to where, to this level over here. It might stop, but then it will go to your direction. So and your stop loss would be where, above that candlestick over there. So this is our trend line. So you can see overall this is what we have here. Took an entry earlier on. Let me just change this. It's supposed to be +2. So I took an entry. Let me see. I think it's somewhere here to this level here. So let's go to our 5-minute chart. So for entry, remember entry, we get it from the 5-minute chart. So overall, on our 15-minute, we would have got a late entry. So overall, our entry would have been where, here, this level here. The minute the market broke both, not only the trend line, but also what it broke what, our higher low. So it broke both our our uptrend line and also our higher low. So overall you would have entered where, here. You would have entered here. You would have entered here. Then your stop loss would have been 21 pip. Then you would be aiming to 50 pips. So overall your stop loss would have been tested twice. Then so far you holding profits. So you can see overall this is how you can trade crash profitable and make at least $5 a day. So overall you have $10 for today. So meaning you'll be making $10 times 7, that's $70 a week. So yeah, and bear in mind that $5, it's, I think it's 107 rands when it comes to South Africa. So you'd be making 107 times 2, that's almost 215 rands a day. So yeah, this is the strategy to that. Hopefully this was useful to you, and also you can see, focus more on selling crash and buying boom. We sell crash and we buy boom. So you can see overall. And another tip for you to see that the market is now ready to go down on crash and boom specifically, it has to engulf at least these 3 candlesticks, at least for it to engulf these 3 candlesticks, 2 or more. That way you know that it's going to crash now, it's ready to crash. So yeah, M Traders analysis, you already know, nenomaila. Do follow us on Instagram at mtraders and mtraders_fx and at nenomaila on Instagram. So yeah, do follow us and like our content and comment and also share, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. nenomaila, M Traders logging out. You already know. Peace and love. Zaka patela difícil.